Today, I'll walk you through the process of moving all your OneDrive for Business files over to a shared location, like a SharePoint site or Microsoft Teams site. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to consolidate your work files so your team can collaborate more efficiently and everyone has access to the documents they need. Let's get right into it. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to OneDrive for Business. This is super important because doing the move online ensures that you're working with the very latest versions of your files, and most importantly, that all changes are saved to the cloud. Just sign in to your Microsoft 365 account and head to the OneDrive section from your dashboard. If you're already logged in, it should just take a click or two. Now, once you're in OneDrive, you'll see your own files and folders displayed. The next step is to select the files and folders you want to move. If you're looking to shift everything, say you're moving departments or simply want all your docs in one shared spot, the quickest way is to click the checkbox in the upper left corner above your files. This selects everything on the page. If you only need to move certain documents or folders, just check the boxes next to each one. Take your time here and double-check your selection if you have a lot of files. It's a bit like packing up your office. You want to make sure you're picking up everything that needs to go, but not dragging over any clutter you don't need anymore. If the page scrolls, don't worry, OneDrive will select everything visible, so move through your list if you need to. With your files selected, look at the top of the toolbar for the Move to command. It's usually pretty easy to spot, and you might also see options like Copy to, but for this, you definitely want Move to. This ensures your files get transferred instead of duplicated. Go ahead and click it. If it takes a moment to load, that's completely normal, especially if you've selected a lot of files. Once you've clicked Move to, a dialog box appears. Here you'll choose the destination for your files. You're going to be looking for your SharePoint site or Microsoft Teams site under a section called Quick Access. If you don't see the place you're targeting right away, look for an option called More Places and click there. This will show you more destinations connected to your Microsoft account. Think of it like searching for the right shelf or folder in a big file cabinet. You might have to peek around a bit, but the shared site you need should be visible. Don't hesitate to pause for a second here and make sure you're choosing the right place. When you find the right site, you can either drop the files into an existing folder, or if you want to keep things organized, create a new folder by clicking New Folder right from the screen before you move everything in. Organization here is key. It'll make life so much easier for anyone else who needs to find these files in the future. Finally, click Move here. This starts the transfer. If you're moving a lot of data, it could take a few minutes, so don't worry if things seem to pause for a bit. OneDrive will show the progress, and once it's done, your files are officially in the shared location, ready for your team to access. And that's it, you've successfully moved your OneDrive for Business files to a shared spot where everyone can work together. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps more people discover our content. If you have questions, drop me a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.